Have you ever heard someone say that if you change the way you look at things, the things you look at will change? Well, we're going to explore that in today's meditation, the power of your mind. Daily meditation. It's the antidote to worries, stress, and nonstop thinking. For some people, it's like breaking out of the mental prison to find paradise. People suffer from stress, anxiety, depression. They lead to physical illnesses. So many people turn to medication for the answers, and the answers are inside you. Meditation will help you with all that stuff and more. It's actually the best way to start the day. It only takes a couple minutes. Why don't you hang around? Give it a try. The power of the mind. The mind is a powerful tool. When meditating, you'll learn to train and work with your mind in a very intentional and focused way. This practice of meditation, it lets you play with the power of your mind, showing you how to kind of gently coax it in different ways. You'll also get to witness your mind's ability to see and hear things kind of in your head. So, today's exercise, you're going to use your imagination. So, I invite you to bring some playfulness and some curiosity into the meditation for today. Try not to take yourself too seriously. And to begin this practice, you're going to need to close your eyes, take a big breath in, and let it go. Take a moment now to notice how the body is resting. Are you comfortable? Try to keep your spine as straight as possible and allow the muscles around your jaw to relax, your shoulders to kind of just hang there. Now, with your eyes closed, imagine the room that you are sitting in right now. Keep your eyes closed. Can you picture the room where you're sitting? Try to visualize the room in your mind. Picture the floor, the carpet, or tile. Is it wood? What about the walls? How far away are they? Very tall walls? You're in a small space? Is it a tiny room? Are you outside? Are there any doors or windows? Pictures? Furniture? What about any other items in the room? What else can you see? Okay. So now, let's let go of the room. And let's picture yourself someplace peaceful. For you, it may be at a beach or in the forest, wherever your happy place is. In the same way that you were in that room, take a moment or two and go to your happy place. Look at the ground. You feel the air. Can you smell anything in the breeze? What noises do you hear? Breathe in, blow it away. Now let's pause for a moment and recognize the power of your mind. The way you see the world is entirely inside your control. You can alter the way you see the world, just like you altered where you were physically sitting. Sometimes life is tough. There's no doubts about that. But while everything is spinning around, you do have the power to just find 5 minutes, maybe this 10, and put yourself into that happy place. And know that everything is temporary, including your emotions. Now, in what way can you use this technique to enhance your life? You can turn a bad day around. Peace and love. Thank you for meditating with me. I hope you've enjoyed this sunrise, and I hope this brightens your day. If you enjoyed this time together, please let me know in the comments. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone you love. Help me spread some sunshiny meditations in the morning. Peace and love.